Hey everybody, welcome back to Bald and Bearded Garage. We're back on the 1436 John boat, and today we're going to be working on building out all this. Now I know you guys saw in the last video I already had the top frame built and roughed in. I was trying to figure out the best way to do it, so I went ahead and pre-built it. But I still got to build one for that side, and we got to get all these supports put in. I've been cutting pieces for here and here, as well as over there and right there. But we're also going to take and mount, sorry about the camera angle guys, I'm trying to open a box. This switch panel. Right, let me see if I can get you guys positioned so you can see it. There you go. We're either going to mount the switch panel here or one spot back. So we need to cut some aluminum so this will have something to mount to, because otherwise, well, you'll never be able to have anything to secure it to. So however my support brackets fall in, this one and my one over here, I need to be able to take and tie two of these together right at this height. So this can tie in. Real simple. Battery voltage meter, USB charger, regular 12-volt outlet, and enough switches that this John boat would never use them all. But they're all waterproof. You know, it's a waterproof switch, waterproof display, waterproof outlets, all marine. Nice aluminum panel. And everything's pre-wired. Not the way I would do it, but you can do it like this. Basically, this would be your main ground, this would be your main positive. So all we need to do is breaker this. This needs to be on a breaker because you've got a lot here that has no breaker source. If I were to redo it, we'd put a fuse block in it. And each individual switch would have a lead coming from the fuse block, and we may still do it that way. It all depends on how much time I get. It's already mid-July. I'm kind of in a race against time to get this boat on the water to be able to use it a little bit this summer. I know my folks are itching to get on the water. I'm itching to get on the water, and I'm itching to start the next project. So, well, I thought I had something to go with that, but I don't. So let's get you guys positioned and get to setting all this up. Alright, so I'm using 3/16 rivets. I'm sure I've explained this before, but for all of you who are catching this for the first time, these are all 3/16 rivets. Sorry, I've been sick. I've had COVID. So right now I'm still a little under the weather, a little congested. So you have to bear with the sniffles. It's not what I want to be dealing with either, but I can't do nothing about it, guys. So basically we're just gonna start popping our rivets in. Oh, these are long. Don't I have some shorts? Didn't I have some short 3/16? Sorry guys, I've been under the weather and I've lost track of almost everything I own. Those all look like 1/8" rivets. Yeah. Alright, well, I guess we're going to go with the big boys. They're not the ones I wanted to use, but these should work just as well. You're not obligated on the inside of the boat to use closed-in rivets. If you've got water in the boat already, closed-in rivets aren't going to do you any good. I'm not drilling through anything that's outside. This is all internal. So a little internal rivets never hurt. I definitely recommend a pneumatic rivet gun if you can get your hands on one, because doing this by hand just blows. Just blows. So now we can drill out our top. Whew. Come on. It's always nice to have your hole just the size, because then you know it's a tight fit when it goes in. Otherwise it's going to be kind of sloppy. You know, when it goes to scrunch down that rivet, it may not hold it correctly. So just, I use a 3/16 drill bit with a 3/16 rivet. It seems to work fine. It's a little bit of a pain to get it in, but it works. I don't know about you guys, but it is hot in my garage right now. All these are aluminum rivets. Stay away from the similar metals. All right, another one down. Let's move to the next one. So I'm thinking I'm going to put the switch panel here, because if I'm going to be sitting pretty close to where you guys are, because it is a Tiller 9.9, I'd like my switches to be kind of right there in the open for me to operate. I think that's going to be my best course of action. So let's get the rest of these kind of in their home. How much go-go juice I got? Oh, almost out of battery, guys. I'm going to have to get another battery. That's all right. If I didn't run out of battery, I wouldn't be working on boats. But hopefully you guys enjoy the content. I enjoy working on boats. I've got many years in it now, over 10. Done everything from engine rebuilds, new engine installs, electronics installs, Navy boat, complete refits. Been very fortunate with my career choice on working on boats. I work for a great company. And I've learned a lot of cool stuff from a lot of, come on, the problem I have with rivet guns. Come on, drop my rivet. There we go. Worked with a lot of cool people, learned a lot of cool things. And I've had the opportunity to kind of grow and expand my knowledge to other people.